In this module, we are going to talk about violation of the immigration laws. Immigration laws are referred to the formal regulations by the state in order to govern immigration into countries. These immigration laws regulate the entry and exit of migration from different countries of the world. Immigration laws vary all around the world depending on the social, political, and economic climate of the country. So, when different host countries are dealing with the immigration laws, and these immigration laws are not uniformly observed in all countries, but they vary from state to state. Immigration laws regulate the following internal rights of immigrants: time period to stay in a foreign country, freedom of movement, status of citizenship or refugee, right to participate in commerce, intensity of political participation, availing social services. So, the status of an immigrant is determined by the host country, that what kind of business they can do while they were living in that host country, what kind of political participation they can have, and what is their status as a citizen or as a permanent resident, or they are going to give them the permission for work or not. Here are some examples. The citizenship of United States is granted after 5 years of permanent residence. Gibraltar is a British overseas territory that does not have any nationality status. Its residents have two nationalities: British Overseas Territory citizenship, that is known as BOTC, and British citizenship. Violation of immigration laws and use of illegitimate means contribute to illegal immigration. The number of illegal immigrants is rapidly increasing from poorer and underdeveloped countries to developed countries. Many illegal immigrants do not leave their parent country happily because they have to go away from their families and culture. However, severe push factors make them use illegal means to enter the foreign countries. So it means these are the push factors that force individuals to migrate from one place to another. Otherwise, no one is ready to leave his family, his culture. People prefer violation of immigration laws when socioeconomic situations in the parent country become intolerable. Illegal immigrants take the risk to die in the sea instead of staying in the parent country without getting any solutions. The only solution is to create better opportunities and provide the basic facilities in the developing countries. Because if individuals are not provided as per their needs, as per their demands, they become frustrated and they pose to immigrate from their parent land to any foreign country. Although they face difficulties, even sometimes death in seas, but they prefer it because they don't believe that if they go back their in their parent country, they could be easily manage their families. So, under this fearful situation, most of the people from the developing part of the world decide to sacrifice for their families.